Okay.
Which are very delectable. This is chocolate. This is chocolate. This is cocoa in time. Everyone are on the top of the world. I'll change the wheels. Someone is capturing the moment. This is Faratelli. Faratelli. I don't know what is this. I could not read this name. I hope Jinklo would be happy to see this video and it will be informative for them. हे हेलो, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज मैं आ गई हूँ एक और वीडियो लेकर आपके पास। दिस वीडियो वुड बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर गोवा's traveler. Today we are at the Hard Rock Hotel in Goa. The Hard Rock Hotel Goa is a luxurious resort located in Calangute, known for its rock and roll theme, stylish design and musical ambience. It offers a range of amenities include a pool, on-site dining, a gym, a spa and with a lively and energetic atmosphere. The hotel is situated close to popular beaches and provided a blend of luxury, entertainment and world-class service. So don't skip the video. I will give you complete information about the hotel in this video.
Ding 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 ding. रिश्तों की नहीं सच। So this is a master bedroom है ना, for us, for me and माहिर। और ये हमारा बेडरूम है। यहाँ पे मैं यहाँ दिखा देती हूँ इस वाले रूम में।
So there are some snacks available which are very delectable. This is chocolate. This is cocoa in time or cocoa in timo. Actually, I am not able to pronounce properly cocoa in time or cocoa in timo. Okay, here are some water bottle available which are free of cost. There are coffee sachets and these are different kind of tea sachets and this is sweet powder. All are complimentary and this is an electric kettle. And so this is a mini fridge. Actually we can say this is a mini bar. Different kind of hard drinks are available in this fridge and of course juices are also here and some different soft drinks are also here. I can see some more chocolates. So this is Bounty. Yes, this is Bounty and this is Snicker. I love Bounty. So this is mini fridge, beverages and hard. All are chargeable. You can pay and you can enjoy all beverages and all drinks. And आगे बढ़ते हैं। So यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा मिरर है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूज़फुल लग रहा है and this is a bed which is immaculate और मुझे यहाँ पर कुछ पानी की बोतलें भी दिखाई दे रही हैं। तो ये पानी की बोतलें हैं और ये हमारा एक बेडरूम है। चलते हैं अब सेकंड बेडरूम की तरफ। So this is our second bedroom. You can see here. So this bed is for Mikhail and other one is for Sarish. और यहाँ पर भी कुछ पानी की bottles हैं and another service room service phone also available here. और एक बड़ा सा LED भी है जो बच्चों के लिए और पहले वाले रूम की तरह यहाँ पे कॉफी टेबल और ये कॉफी टेबल और ये चेयर।
Oh my god. Maya, open the door. Maya, open the washroom door, please. Mahir.
So this is a big mirror on the wall, and this is shower area. Dental kit, shaving kit, shower cap, comb, body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, everything are here. Hair dryer, sanitary kit, and bathroom telephone bhi hai iske andar. And this is a perfect bathroom. And here is a wardrobe. I can show you.
बहुत टाइट है।
So this is a locker. You can keep your expensive thing in money in this locker. And this is wardrobe, एक बड़ी सी है, और यहाँ पर iron भी है, and this is iron board, and this is drawer. I will show you. So this is a laundry bag in this drawer, and a swing kit also, and this is an empty drawer. तो ये हमने वेज हक्का नूडल्स और ये चाय ऑर्डर की है। लेट्स चेक इट।
क्वांटिटी देखते हैं कितना है। फुल ऑफ के चलो पूरी केटली नूडल्स भी सही है। ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कुकीज आटा, ये शायद नट कुकीज।
अपने भी तो कुकीज
नट्स कुकीज
है। तुमने कैसी कुकीज बनाई?
ठीक है।
हैं?
ये सम आई थिंक
वो क्या होता है?
फॉर नूडल्स है ना, फॉर नूडल्स। ये विनेगर है, सोया सॉस, सॉल्ट, पेपर एंड दिस इज
अच्छा, आप
केचप।
कॉफी चाय भी होगी तो फिर ये आप लेके आए ना। ये टमाटर सॉस भी है, दो बच्चों को, गरीबों को, बेचारों को।
मैं तुम दोनों के लिए इसमें निकाल दे रही हूँ, ठीक है? एक साथ खाए ना।
इसका खा लो ना दोनों में।
हाँ, खा ले।
बंद तो कर दिया इसी भाई।
ये राउंडे खड़े, वो थोड़ा रहेगा अभी। सही है, नूडल्स की क्वांटिटी भी थोड़ा कम है ना।
सही तो है,
फ्राई सही है। चलो पहले नूडल बना के देते हैं लोगों को। कैसे खुलेगा ये? विनेगर, सॉस भी डाल देते हैं। नूडल्स ठीक है। चाय भी चेक कर लेते हैं।
The noodles price is 450 rupees without tax, and the tea price is 30 rupees. If you want to order tea in the room, then order only 1 cup because it comes in a large kettle and won't be enough for 2 person.
विदाउट शुगर लेना है ना माहिर को, तो कुकीज भी चेक कर लेते हैं। नूडल ले लो तुम। ले लो। आटा कुकी आ जाइए। तीनों अलग अलग कुकी है।
Wow, अब हम आ गए हैं यहाँ के स्पेशल एरिया में। As you can see, here are some special item which belong to Hollywood celebs. Come with me and let's check the history of about these items.
So, is this real or?
Yeah, this is the real sunglass which is donated by the Michael Jackson. That is given to the Hard Rock International. That is it's the Hard Rock Hotel Goa. But it's we have it is it's situated in 1971.
Okay.
It started Eric Clapton and Peter Morton. Both was American. So from that we started Hard Rock. And then in India we have like only one hotel, that is Hard Rock Hotel Goa. But if you can visit lots of like cafes is there, like in Hyderabad, Kolkata, and like Mumbai also is there, and Pune as well.
Okay, so who's the owner of this hotel?
The Hard Rock Hotel owner is like the Seminole tribe of Florida. It's a tribe that is like the Seminole tribe. But before it was like the Peter Motor and Isaac Trevor was found the hotel. So it was like started in a Rolls Royce, old Rolls Royce company. So a little of the cafe.
And what about those costumes?
Those we have like the George Harrison famous sunglasses is there, and the Eric Clapton, the creamy suit is there.
Who is he?
He's
I have no
George
idea
Harrison.
about him actually.
Actually, he's the like singer, the famous folk singer, the band singer. The details is there, like the thing is there, sunglasses were part of the promotional material for the George Harrison 1976 solo album. So that is like it's the famous the 30 and the 1/3. The note is like the variation of the sunglasses is like Hindu variation.
Okay.
That is like the 1/3 in the logo. This is a star mark.
And
This is a
he's,
star mark.
I think he's Ravi Shankar.
Yeah, I think so. But
I think
that
so.
is the George Harrison.
Yeah, George Harrison. And what about his costume?
This is Eric Clapton. This is the jacket of Eric Clapton jacket. This is the cream color jacket. It's also
This jacket gifted also?
Yeah, he wore this jacket.
Actually, I have seen those people, but I have no idea who is he.
They was like they both have a band. This is called the Bon Jovi band.
Preeti Samura.
Yeah, which is Sambora, the
Okay.
famous Bon Jovi band.
Okay.
They gave us the guitar. This was the Bon Jovi's guitar.
Okay.
And it is all the collection starts from the Eric Clapton. Actually, he was the first gave a guitar.
Okay. They are all in a band.
This is
Samora
one of the
band.
band members.
Okay.
This Mani Iyer is also a band member.
He is guitarist.
Yes, a famous guitarist.
Okay.
This jacket is a pure black Sabbath jacket. So this is the Eric Clapton who was like gave us the Red Fender guitar. He was the, like basically the famous customer in the cafe.
So
he was
all
the-
costume and musical instrument are gifted.
Yeah, these all are gifted.
Okay.
So Eric Clapton was like the famous the guitarist that time. So he was like visited in the America in the 1976. So basically he was like come as a daily visitor. He just one day he came and he gave his guitar just keep it in my table, so I will come daily bring back here. So from that time the all the things is just started. The business started.
And what's your good name?
My name is Sahil.
Okay, thank you, Sahil.
Thank you so much.
Now, this is the night scene of Hard Rock swimming pool area. It looks energetic and ecstatic.
किधर से निकलना है? इधर से निकल.
As you can see, everyone are on the top of the world. They are enjoying their life without any worries. Hotels has arranged poolside loungers. You can sit here, swim here, and do the drink and do the dance. So, this is poolside bar. You can hear the loud music behind me. It gives glitzy look to this area. And they have arranged some seating area next to the bar. So after looking this poolside area, I can say of course it is awesome. और ये एरिया रिसेप्शन की तरफ जाता है. ये भी बहुत ही अमेजिंग लग रहा है. यहाँ पर भी पूल है. आप शोर शराबे और बार के शोर शराबे से दूर पूल के साइड बैठकर एंजॉय कर सकते हैं.
बताते हैं ना, यहाँ से कर लो, वहाँ से कर लो।
तो ये है हार्ड रॉक का मेन एंट्रेंस, जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत और शानदार लग रहा है। दिस इज द नेम ऑफ हार्ड रॉक होटल, और ये मेन एंट्रेंस के बिल्कुल सामने लिखा हुआ है। और ये है यहाँ की पार्किंग एरिया। यू कैन पार्क योर कार, स्कूटी, बाइक्स हियर। और सो दिस इज द grand entry of Hard Rock Hotel. Let's come with me. I will show you everything. Come with me. Okay.
हाय, कैसे हो आप?
Look more dresses. You can pause your screen and carefully look those dresses. These dresses belong to Rihanna and Katy Perry, and this is original dresses, and the both dresses are gifted by both celebrities. And this is the setup of guitar and क्या कहते हैं इसको, ड्रम। और इसके बारे में एक्चुअली मुझे पूरी हिस्ट्री नहीं पता है, बट ये यहाँ पर लगा हुआ है। ये भी रिसेप्शन एरिया पर लगा हुआ है। एक्चुअली यहाँ पे जो रिसेप्शन एरिया है ना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रैंड और बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग है लुक वाइज। और ये मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। यहाँ पर एक्चुअली यहाँ पर एक रॉक शॉप भी है। सो दिस इज़ द रॉक शॉप। ये यहाँ का एंट्रेंस है। यहाँ पर भी सीटिंग एरिया, एक्चुअली आप यहाँ पर भी बैठ सकते हैं। और यहाँ पर जो इधर से हम एंट्री करते हैं। This is the main attraction of rock shop, and I don't know about this bike also. Actually, you can buy some clothes, hair, sacks, bags, okay, sacks and badges, and footwear for yourself. Keyring and fridge magnet भी यहाँ पर आप ले सकते हैं। So you can buy the clothes for your children also from the Hard Rock shop. Actually, I'll show you more things. Okay, who is the shopkeeper? Actually, he's very humble, polite, and also smart. Yes, definitely smart. And here are some keyring, badges, and fridge magnet. Actually, in the middle, only one fridge magnet left in this shop. I think सारे बिक चुके हैं, and they all have Hard Rock name. और ये कुछ ग्लासेस भी, आई डोंट नो कौन कौन सी ग्लासेस हैं, शॉर्ट, वाइन, जूसेस, आई डोंट नो, बट इन पर भी हार्ड रॉक करके नाम लिखा हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं। एक्चुअली यहाँ पर हर चीज़ पर टी शर्ट्स हैं, सैक्स हैं, और जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं ना, सब पर ये बैग्स वगैरह, इन सब पर इन्होंने हार्ड रॉक करके नाम लिखा हुआ है। एंड वन मोर थिंग आई विल शो यू, कम विद मी, look at this guitar. Actually this made by badges and look awesome. It looks awesome. I'll show you clearly. Actually look at this, looks awesome. और ये भी देख सकते हैं आप, ऑफ कोर्स खरीद भी सकते हैं। Actually, the price of the items are little costly, but on the other hand, if you buy some item as a memory, then price doesn't matter.
शकीरा, लेडी गागा लिखा है। आई थिंक ये उनकी ओरिजिनल ड्रेसेस होंगी।
वही तो बोला मैंने आपको।
शकीरा और लेडी गागा की ओरिजिनल ड्रेसेस है ये।
Shakira and Lady Gaga. Shakira, Shakira.
Not Shakila.
Sorry,
Shakira.
Shakira.
Hi, buddies. What?
Ronaldo signature song.
Okay.
बीच पे करना है, प्लीज शूट कर देना ये मेरा बीच पे करना है.
So this is afternoon और मैंने सोचा आपको दोपहर के वक्त की स्विमिंग पूल का एरिया दिखा दूँ. एक्चुअली ये एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत व्यू देता है पूरी होटल को. ये आप देख सकते हैं, टॉल कोकोनट ट्रीज हैं सामने. ये ब्लू कलर का बड़ा सा स्विमिंग पूल है. एक्चुअली ये बड़े लोगों के लिए है और बच्चों के लिए अलग से बनाया हुआ है. एक्चुअली ये होटल जो है ना एक फ्रेंडली होटल है एक्चुअली. और यहाँ पर बड़ा ही ना सेफ महसूस करते हैं. ये देखिए बच्चे बैठे अपनी मम्मा के साथ एंड दे आर ईटिंग समथिंग. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. आपको जो चिल्ड्रंस पूल है ना, बच्चों के लिए जो पूल है ना, वो भी दिखा देती हूँ. ये देखिए यहाँ पे कोई पापा अपने बच्चे को स्विम करा रहे हैं, देख सकते हैं.
Say hi. Say hi, hi, hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Wow.
Amazing. If you can hear the water sound, you can feel calmness. This sound of water is giving calmness to our soul, our mind. Come with me. I can show you the bar area. Actually, I come showing this bar area. I am showing this bar area for drink lovers. Come with me. Okay. I'll change the way. Someone is capturing the moment. Come with me from this way. Come. So that is the bar. Yes. You can see this is the bar. You can choose the drink of your choice. इस बार को है ना अलग अलग डिफरेंट टाइप के म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट से सजाया गया है, जो देखने में बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा है. और यहाँ पर मच मोर ड्रिंक, एक्चुअली बहुत सारा ड्रिंक. एक्चुअली डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ड्रिंक्स आर अवेलेबल इन दिस बार. I don't know about the drinks. Actually, I am teetotaler. However, the drinks lover are watching my video, they can easily recognize the all drinks. Actually, there are more drinks. Come with me. This is Faratelli. I don't know what is this. I could not read this name actually. Leave it. I hope drink lover would be happy to see this video and it will be informative for them. After showing this, I would take you to gym area. Come with me.
Now we are going for watching gym area. Come this side. Sarish. Come here, bacha. Please open the door for me. Yes. Is it open?
Yes.
When I enter in this gym, the sound suddenly change and the vibes are also changed. Actually, I can feel the change vibes. The vibes are full of beans and it is looking so perfect. Gym, many equipments are here and here is a big mirror and I want to see my full image in this mirror. Drop me a comment and tell me how I am looking and how is my attire. I'm waiting your comments.
This is me. Okay. So this is the gym area of Hard Rock Hotel.
Actually, the food of this hotel is very flavorful. You can eat everything with full of tummy and then you can do exercise for burning your calories. Actually, this gym is very helpful for burning calories after eating every flavorful food. So here is a shower area and a toilet also here. You can refresh yourself after gym. Actually, this gym is so perfect. You can burn your calories after getting finger licking food.
तेरा वैसे ठीक है हमारी सोसाइटी से नहीं लगी
ये वे ना
हाँ जैसे हम
Yes, this is right. This is true. This way, like my society's way. And he's tal wale bhaiya. You could take the tal from him and dry yourself after swimming. Actually, this service is not chargeable. बाल वाले अंकल्स नहा रहे हैं.
इसलिए मेरा यहाँ पे
नहा लो.
नहीं हो रहा है
You can come here in the evening.
evening
Ah.
around 4 to 5 p.m.
5 p.m. When we will come back hotel after 2, then you came here with Mikhail and Kalu. I will come also with you. And this is the restaurant way. Love all, serve all.
Because उसका तुमने
Please
कर भी
open the
लिया
door for me.
उसका तो कर भी लिया तुमने टेलन टेलन
Now the breakfast time is over and the all restaurant is empty, as you can see. I will make the video,
सेपरेट वीडियो
separate video tomorrow.
So that was the restaurant where we had breakfast. Actually, this hotel served us lots of option in the breakfast, and that could not be covered in this video. So I decided I would make a separate video of the breakfast because they might be a bit longer.
700.
मैं भी
Sorry, जन्म फोन का नंबर 700 नहीं था, 007 था. Hi.
ये मेरे पास जिंदा रखा है मैंने खल्लू तो खो दी थी आपकी बीवी
Now the desserts time. You can enjoy the desserts here. This hour would be a happy hour for sweet tooth people. Actually, they serve us lots of option of desserts like ice creams, cakes, and motichur laddus. Actually, I love motichur laddus, and they are also here. And this is the sabudana kheer. It's looking so delicious. Yum yum. Actually, I love sweets, and my favorite motichur laddus are here also here. And actually, I always ready to eat dessert. So this is the video. I have tried to give you complete information. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like and share button for increasing my channel, and we will meet in the next video. That will be the breakfast video of this hotel, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.